Hi children, this is the video about articles. In this video, I will make you to understand what are articles, types of articles, use of articles. What are articles, types of articles, use of articles. So, which are the articles? A and the. There are three articles A and the. So they are used before a noun. The articles are used before a noun. So there are two types of articles. Articles are two types. Which are they? Indefinite and definite articles. Indefinite and definite articles. Which are the indefinite articles? A or an. Which is the definite article? The. A or an are indefinite articles because they do not refer to any particular person, place or thing. Why a or an are indefinite articles? Because they do not refer any particular person, place or thing. For example, a chair, a fan, a temple, a pen, an elephant, an umbrella. See, ये तो कौन से भी हो सकते हैं, विशेषता नहीं बताते हैं. Then the, it is called the definite articles. It is called definite article because it refers to some particular person, place or thing. For example, the India Gate, the President, the flag, etc. Because we used the because it refers to a particular president, particular place or particular thing. So विशेषता दिखाते हैं. First we will see the use of a. A is used in front of singular countable nouns. Singular countable nouns means जो गिन सकते हैं. Maybe a person, animal or thing which are not specific. Then we don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. जो गिन नहीं सकते, जो प्लूरल नाउन है, उनके आगे ये यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. इफ ए नाउन स्टार्ट्स विथ consonant sound, a comes before the noun. So we use a before the consonant sound. Which are the consonant sounds? Except vowel sound, all other letters are consonant sound except vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel sound. Except this, all other letters are consonant sounds. So we use a before the consonant sounds. For example, a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, a house, a bike, a boy, a table. Next we can see the use of an. The use of an. An is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. See, the an also is used in front of the singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. We use with the singular countable nouns. Then if the noun starts with a vowel sound and comes before the noun, so where do we use an? If the noun starts with a vowel sound, which are the vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. If the noun starts with a vowel sound and comes before the noun, For example, an apple, an egg, an ant, an orange, an hour. Here the word hour starts with H letter. But H is silent here. So there comes a vowel sound. An hour. It is the exception case only. An aunt, an old man, an uncle. Next we can see the use of the. We use the in front of all the nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable or uncountable. It describes someone or something specific or unique. To describe someone or something specific or unique. That means it refers a particular thing, person or animal. It refers a particular or specific thing. Then the also is used before the things which only one exists. For example, the earth, the moon, the sun. Also we use the before the name of the river, mountain, ocean, etc. Also we use the before the names of newspaper, well-known magazine, books, etc. So we can see some examples. The earth, the world, the air, the weather, the moon, the president, the CEO, the sun. There are some exceptions in some nouns. Please look at the examples. A union, an hour. Here the word union starts with the letter U. Then also we used A before this noun. Then next one, hour. The word hour starts with the letter H. It starts with the consonant letter. Then we used an before this noun. What is the reason? Dear students, the use of a or an depends on the sounds of the first letter of the word. Listen carefully. The use of a or an depends on the sounds of the first letter of the word. Any word beginning with the sounds of the vowels, it prefixed with the an. That means an is used before a word beginning with the vowel sounds. When a word starts with the consonant sound, we use a before such words. See, the word union. The sound is U, ya. So, it is consonant sound only. So, we use a. Next one, hour. Here, H is silent. Hour, a. It's vowel sound here comes. So, we use an. So, once again, dear students, which are the articles A and the? There are two kinds of articles, indefinite and definite articles. Which are the indefinite articles? A or an. Which is the definite article? The. Article the refers particular person, place or thing. It means it refers a specific thing. Visheshata batate hai. But a or an, they do not refer a particular person, place or thing. Dear students, I hope you all have understood this.